Is your small bathroom cramping your style? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll give you some cool bathroom remodeling ideas that will transform your small bathroom into a beautiful, clean, fresh, and relaxing place. Free Up Clutter. You'd be surprised how many things you'll find in your bathroom that you don't need. Get rid of them. That empty bottle of moisturizer, the hotel samples you brought home, the extra towels that don't belong in your bathroom. Clear surfaces are the key to a clutter-free bathroom. Go one step further and also reduce the number of cosmetics that you keep in the cabinet. A modern touch. Now that your space is clear, think of simple, streamlined fixtures like faucets and showers to create a modern look. Get rid of vanities that have sharp corners. In smaller bathrooms, you or your kids could bruise your hips. Instead, opt for rounded ones. Additionally, paint the walls white, as that will open up a small space and give it a larger, airier feel. Also, consider replacing your shower curtain with a glass or acrylic door. Splurge on finishes. Since you're working on a smaller bathroom, you'll need fewer renovation materials, thus saving a few $100s. So consider adding a touch of glamour and elegance to make it look like $1 million. For example, nice accent lighting fixtures transform the look of your small bathroom. And choosing LED lights can reduce your energy bills too. A great alternative to any vertical striped wallpaper is stunning mosaic tile work laid vertically on the entire bathroom wall. You can install luxurious artisan tiles for the upper half of the bathroom as well. As these tiles don't come in contact with water on a daily basis, they last longer and amplify the style of your bathroom. Towel warmers that double up as a towel rack are a worthy investment too. Mirrors. Mirrors are an integral part of most bathroom remodels and add depth and style. Adding a mirror on the wall can increase the spatial look of a small bathroom. The entire effect looks great above a vanity or along one side of a narrow bathroom. Mirrors also create space for functional items. For instance, you have enough storage to keep all items hidden, preferably behind opaque, mirrored, or frosted doors. Another benefit of installing more mirrors is that they reflect light, so you get a larger visual space. Extend counter space. A little extra counter space created when the vanity counter extends over the adjacent toilet can be surprisingly effective. You can also accessorize your counter space with one decorative item like a single candle, orchid, or glass bowl of pebbles. Glass panels. Say goodbye to the tub and welcome a walk-in shower with frameless glass shower doors. It's a huge space saver and adds immense value to your property. Furthermore, shower curtains are difficult to clean and close off almost 1/3 of your room, whereas frameless glass panels open up your bathroom and invite more light. Instead of sliding glass panels, opt for seamless ones for better maintenance and durability. Don't let smaller spaces limit your imagination or your bathroom remodeling ideas. With Hestia Home Services by your side, you can create the most stunning and extraordinary bathrooms. They won't just be bold and beautiful, but also super functional and spacious, delivering a grand and luxurious feeling to every family member. Call 832-871-5577 for a free quote today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.